Chineke no leligwe na ntị. Chineke no leligwe na ntị. Ala na ntị. Ala na ntị. Ala na ntị. Alụmọka ya na ntị. Ahịa nọ n'ọhịa ga ntị. Ufufe ga ntị. Agbịsị ga ntị. Ndị niile. Ma niile dị ike. Ma niile nwere ebube. Unu na ntị. Ọ dị m akpọfụta mmụọ Chizara Mgbendi. Achọmba. Ebu na ụmụ ọka ha. Ọka ya ọkụ. Ị gaghị enwe ịgakwaghị n'ụtọ ọkụ. Eji mara ndị ka unu bụrụ ọkụ ya ọkụ. Ndị na-abụ osu anya lụọ. Anyị esi na anyị adịghị lụtafụrụ ya na ndụ. Ụmụ ya wee maa abụọ. Gbuo owu. Ngwabide. Bide daga chụọ owu. Onye na-azụ. Ọnụ n'ụtụtụ. Ọnụ n'ụtụtụ. Ihe na-akụ ụka bụ ala ụmụ ọka ha. Wendy.
This generation curse long ago. They even included wives that will be married into the family. And even when they are giving birth, they should buy at child delivery. And the babies will become stillbirths. See what these two men have brought upon their families and generations to come. Ungwa people will never spare you when you hurt their children. Chiwendu, a student nurse from Nkwa, training in Imo State, was raped by two men and then they can't remove her head. The men have been arrested. One is a vulcanizer whose advances she rejected. Chiwendu community members in Nkwa warn black as they gather to place curses in the men who pied her. They knelt on the floor and placed their hands on the ground as they prayed. The man who coordinated the spiritual exercise called on the spirit of the slain nurse to rise and take vengeance on the men, and also on their families and generations to come. He began the prayer by calling on God in heaven to listen. God in heaven, listen. The earth, listen. The forest, listen. The air, listen. Incense, listen. Everyone who has powers, listen. He began. Now, wow, God have mercy. He then called on Wendy to rise and chase Akbayas and their families in the morning, noon, and night. From the front, back, and all sides. The man said, the tears you cried when they buy you, they will cry in their families. All the screams you screamed, it will be the portion of their families. From today henceforth, any wife married into that family, when she goes to give birth, she will die in childbearing. In childbirth. The ones who have been born will die young. We will hear how those people die premature. RIP. Hey, Chineke. From now henceforth, don't rest. Keep chasing them. Everything you suffered, they will suffer in their families. And everything we have decreed, no pastor can revoke it. No native doctor, Dibia, can revoke it. As we have decreed it, so shall it be. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Otilo. Oti finish here. Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe in terms of my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, it don't happen, it don't settle. I carry this story, can't give una, because this same story is what happened in Juju Ekwensu household. This is how they lay curses on the Juju Ekwensu family many years back. The same thing, now they hear for years. So. Hey! Wonder shall never end. Una use una yera. Una yera. Because these two men are out of their greed and selfishness. See the generation curse they brought upon their family. They did not only grape this girl, they grape her so that they remove her head. Now the people, the village people of this girl, because not be everybody you they temper with you. Some village people, if something happen, they'll say, oh God, have mercy, come and fight for us. We leave it in the hands of God. Some village people know they leave it in the hands of God. If you touch one, you touch all. Now it be the village people of this girl. Una see the way all of them come out, all of them wear black. As that man they swear, all of them pull hand for ground. They pull hand for ground for sand. Sand. Person hold sand. They swear. Better make person just buy and go. Hey, they pull hand for ground, pull hand for sand. They begin lay generation curse upon these two men when they go grape this girl. This is a little girl studying nursing in a nursing school for Imoland. This man, they told this girl, the girl say, I'm not friend. I not date, I don't want date you. The man vex, he go carry a friend come. They go meet the girl for inside room. They knock till their thing not come, they rise up to knock again. As they finish, now they remove the head. They say the girl know them. They come run. Now so as they run, now so they take cash them. They catch two of them. They come confess. They first catch one, they come catch the other one. They come confess. As I they thought now so two of them dey police station. They say na by they go stick by them for the police station. ROIP sentence now they won't give them. But that does not stop the people from this girl village to do what they want to do. You see, I say not be everybody told now that they step on. Some people don't say after all they don't give the ROIP, let them go. Mbano. They know that these two men will buy. But they went ahead to lay curses. And those curses upon the family and generation of this family. Hey! Person just dey you sit down in own. No even go do bad o, not do anything. Another person just go carry generation curse, come dash family people. You see what happened here is the same thing that happened to Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu mama when he go destroy this her husband home. Now so they lay curses upon her generation. But you see Mama Juju Ekwensu, she did the husband house. She did with the husband. The husband not married join her. She enjoyed the marriage. She did that they enjoyed the man. But now she they lay curses on. But now she caused the curse when they lay upon her generation. They say wetin she do. They say wetin Mama Juju Ekwensu do. Now so her children go copy from her. Juju Ekwensu marry Mr. Obasi. Mr. Obasi they give her everything. Because that curse need to manifest. Only she run come off for where she get peace. No woman they follow and they drag her husband. Her husband was not a flirter. Her husband was giving her peace, giving her joy, doing his best to give her everything. But because that curse where they lay must manifest, Juju Ekwensu throw away everything. Leave her own home when she be madam. Go be a second side chick. Go be a side chick because they not marry her. Last they not marry her. You see how cause they work. Now Juju Ekwensu take over the cause when they lay upon the mother. See Juju Ekwensu, she's suffering. She have to praise this man before this man go know say she's a good wife. She have to come out and shout, he say Mary Joffo, he say Mary Joffo. If not, you go say, you don't change. You are no longer praising me. She have to be praising this man. She have to tolerate. She have to quiet. She don't have to talk. This man have to come out and disgrace her. She have to bear it all. And some people think, say this whole thing in ordinary hand. It is the cause they lay upon her mother. Now Juju Ekwensu they pay put. They swear for Mama Juju Ekwensu say, your children will be second choice in their life. The one will not fall into that category, they will remain single and be under your roof. See her daughter. If they under a mama roof, still they eat or and akpu every morning. Juju Ekwensu marry, they think say that course not go work. They call they say, see, they come they laugh. They say they don't baff and come off for body. When Juju Ekwensu wrong, leave marriage, go follow you. And there they come they know say, it be like say course where they cost them, and they worry them. Juju Ekwensu brother have nothing to write home about. That one they thief, they live anyhow life, problem, police problem full in neck. You see how the 3 children when he born for them, no one get head. All of them useless. If you look at Juju Ekwensu now, you think say they useful. She's useless. Very, very useless. generation curse. That is the same curse when they lay for the Moghalu family. Any daughter born into that family, their portion will be a second choice. The one way be say he refused to be a second choice will remain single in their mother's house. Hey, my people, before you marry, ask question. Ask question. May you not go fall into trap when you don't know. See the people who commit the sin now. They say they don't sentence all those ones to RIP, they go buy them. All those ones now, they don't go. But you see, their generation to come, those ones will continue to pay. Don't even try to say, oh, they will run to the church or they will run to Dibia. They involve all those ones for inside the course. Any pastor that lay hand, pastor, if he lay hand, one picking will buy. If you get 3 children, the children go buy until the pastor go buy. That is how it works. That's why you see Dibia or even pastor, before they pray for somebody, God go fair open their eye. I don't know where they open their eye. Maybe God, maybe where they go waka. Anything where they open their eye, go fair open. Anything where they open their eye, go fair open their eye. Tell they say this person don't need prayer. The thing they fair they open their eye, they warn them. Now so Dibia, if they go Dibia place now, go fair throw something. Go say make I check. No be say you won't check for anything. You won't check. Make you see whether that person a person when if you work for, because there is repercussion. You see the way they swear this one now. Any pastor that lay hand, the pastor will buy. And that's buy when they talk, so it moves to the children of the pastor. Any Dibia, when he still do the same thing, person when tell you say they swear for that person, the person is deceiving you. It's deceiving you. Anything that make you to open your mouth to lay curses, the person that offend you will suffer. But the children, they will pay. You understand the pattern of swearing for somebody, of laying curses on somebody. The person will suffer. Mama Juju Ekwesu, they suffer. Because no be waiting the first wife they enjoy, now they enjoy. Because the man come frustrate, the man not come get money, the man not come be that man when they attract him to enter there. But her daughter, Juju Ekwesu, is paying for what her mother did. You now understand what they call swear, curse. You understand how it work now? See the kind curse where this one's carry go dash their family. Any woman, when he marry into that family, the curse is not only on the family, it's extended to any woman that goes to marry in that family. Any man, when he go, any man will go marry a woman from that family. If the woman born pikin for that man, that children, they not go old, all of them go by. Then any man will go marry, any woman will go marry for that family. If you don't get belle, if you go hospital, the woman won't born, she go buy a pikin, still beds. The pikin go buy still beds, the mama go buy go like that. A lot of people have this curses, so they don't know where for they come. That is the worst thing about curses. That is the worst thing. They will never know where it's coming from, because it starts from generation. Those two people now, they don't, like if they buy them now for prison, they don't go. They are children, they don't go know where curses from when they come. They will now be paying for it. Ekwen swear romance mami water story. Now na see for years so. Now so they say they swear for Mama Juju Ekwensu. Now so they lay curses on her. And look at her today. No pastor, no Dibia. Now no hear wetin they talk. No pastor, no Dibia can save them. They started the curses in the name of God the Father. They call upon everything on the earth. The mother earth, the forest, the sea, the tree, the sun, the light, every living thing. See the way these village people lay generation. Children when they never born here, they are yet to pay for sins they do not know. Before you go marry, ask question. No? Make una no go make the same mistake where you make. Yo did not ask question. You see Oganigwe carry and travel go Umoji, go carry curse woman put for us. Make una no make the same mistake. Oh, this one now we don't bring her come out. Make una know the place where they for come before you go marry. Ask question. Don't go and fall in the trap of this cursed family. This family is already cursed, not just cursed for one generation. Hey, 20th generation to come, because this kind curse, to revoke it, it will take 14th generations, because the curse too long. Then after that 14th generation, now only God know the kind thing when they feel use they revoke the curse. Because now human being head, now they take cause this curse. They remove person head, now they take cause this curse. What will they desire to revoke this curse? Hey, wonder shall never end, oh my lovely fans. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.